When a hospital adopts a new technology, the first concern is often, how is this reimbursed? We understand the revenue integrity team is critical to ensuring the adoption of any new technology does not create a significant financial burden on the hospital. This video is intended to help you navigate the pathway by which VASQ is reimbursed. VASQ is reimbursed through a transitional pass-through, or TPT, pathway. TPT is intended to pass the incremental cost of new devices through to Medicare, granting patients access to innovations without significant financial burden on the hospital. VASQ's TPT code C8000 will not appear using standard code assessment processes, which may result in the misperception that VASQ is not reimbursed, when in fact it is. However, when charged in compliance with Title 42 Code of Federal Regulation 419.66H, TPT provides the hospital with an incremental payment sufficient to cover the actual cost of VASQ. To accurately assess the expected incremental TPT payment that will be received in addition to the procedure payment, first determine your hospital's cost-to-charge ratio, or CCR, assigned by Medicare. Then decide on a hospital-built charge for C8000. Now you can calculate the incremental payment and the total reimbursement amount. For example, if a hospital's CCR is 0.225 and the hospital-built charge is set as $25,000, the incremental TPT payment would be $5,625. Adjusting the hospital-built charge to $30,000 changes the incremental payment for the same CCR to $6,750. Once the device is in use, billing VASQ correctly includes the procedure CPT code coupled with the VASQ-specific HCPCS code C8000 and the hospital's built charge to receive the incremental payment for the VASQ device in addition to the standard APC payment rate for the procedure. For example, a procedure coded as 36818 plus C8000 with a hospital-built charge of $27,500 would receive an estimated $5,406 plus $6,187 for a total reimbursement of $11,593. VASQ's code C8000 must be paired with one of these 6 approved arteriovenous fistula procedure codes for TPT eligibility. TPT exists so patients can access technologies without compromising the hospital's financial stewardship. When billed in compliance with Title 42 Code of Federal Regulation 419.66H, specifically by setting the appropriate hospital-built charge, TPT enables VASQ to be adopted responsibly by hospitals, both clinically and financially. Have additional questions? Reach out at reimbursement@laminatemedical.com.